The equals method compares two objects and returns true if the color object, which may be this, is equal to another object given as parameter. Well, what does being equal mean? Again, this will depend on the specific object, and thus this method should be overridden to achieve the desired property. For example, we can consider that two cars are equals if they have the same plate number, as both the color and owner of one car could change. If the method equals is not overridden, it will indicate that two objects x and y are the same, thus returning true, if they refer to the same object, which means that they are placed in the same location in the physical memory of the system. The clone method makes an exact copy of the object in memory. This means that the same object is copied into a new position of the memory. As such, x.equals x.clone will return false, as they do not share the same memory address. The Javadoc description of the method toString in the class object says that it returns a string representation of the object. Well, what does this string representation look like? By default, the method returns the name of the class of which the object is an instance, and a serialization of the identifier of the object. More formally, an hexadecimal representation of the physical location of the object in memory. In order to override it, for example, if you were programming a class to represent cars, the method toString of such class car could return the model of the car, the color, the plate number, or any other attribute in a human-readable sequence of characters.